Plugs into car harness at radio. Powers 4 speakers. Great for all your needs. Easy to use. Plugs into car harness at radio. Power 4 speakers. Secure fit. Plugs into car harness at radio. Tested for function in a real-world environment. Power 4 speakers designed with the user and installer in mind. Power 4 speakers. Secure fit. Designed with the user and installer in mind. Tested for function in a real-world environment. Top reviews from the United States. Exactly what you need for the MK3 Supra. This is the part you need if you installed LEDs in your MK3 Supra and need to turn off the dummy light on the dash. There are guides on the Supra forums, but once you remove the correct wires, you just plug this into your lamp box near the taillights. Works great.